going on, you guys? Welcome back to the YouTube channel. I really do appreciate it. We're kind of following up from the last video. I don't know if you guys watched the entire thing. It kind of said to be continued. We got the Miata out. It is insane. I love this thing. Literally every time I drive it, I fall in love all over again, which is amazing. I did say I was gonna be registering this car online so I can go and wash it. Plans kind of changed. I actually went online right when I got home that day and tried to register the car, and AAA or the DMV could not find this Miata in the system. So I waited for the next day for AAA to be open, and I took the Miata. On my way there, going down one of the main roads, the car starts like sputtering and like the RPMs are going up and down like crazy. I pull over as soon as possible to the nearest parking lot. I sat there for about 2 minutes and like let the car kind of just sit there and see what happened. It was pretty much on E, so I figured maybe the car was out of gas, and it just doesn't tell me. Obviously there's no gas light inside of the Miata. Like maybe it's reading wrong, so I went to the nearest gas station. I filled it up. Mind you, it only cost $25 to fill this thing, and the Z is like 70 bucks. So another reason to buy Miata. So I pull into the gas station, I fill the car, and I try and start it, and instantly I know something's wrong because there's no sound, like literally nothing. It doesn't try and turn over, nothing's ticking, like there was literally nothing happening. I knew instantly it had to be something with the battery, so I jumped out and I look at the battery, and sure enough, the negative pole, like the negative terminal, the ring was completely off of it, like it was barely touching it. Realized that that was the issue. I did not have my ratchet set. Luckily for me, there was a tow truck driver at the same gas station I was at, and I asked him if he had a 10mm. Luckily he did. He actually had one. Nobody ever seemed to be able to find their 10mm. It took me literally 2 minutes to fix the negative terminal over there, so luckily it wasn't worse. I was just happy it was able to be solved within the spot and I didn't have to call a tow truck or something. So the DMV closed at 2 o'clock, and it was literally 20 minutes until 2. That's why I was kind of rushing to get over there. Once I realized the car wasn't starting and I pulled over, I just basically, it was a lost cause. The DMV closed and I just kind of missed it. So, and unfortunately they're closed tomorrow, so I have to wait till Monday, and that brings us to right now. We're actually headed to the ranch where I left the 350Z there the other day. We're gonna pick up that car and we're gonna drive it for the rest of today and tomorrow, and then I'm gonna drive back on Monday to get this thing, and then we're gonna go and bring it to AAA to get the registration all figured out. So, long story short, or not so short, that's what's happening, that's the plan, that's what happened yesterday. Thank you guys again for joining. Let's do this. Let's go get the Z, because honestly, I miss really intense AC. Like this thing, no matter how far to the left you have it, or to the cold side it is, I mean, it is not blowing cold. Like, I think I just need to get it recharged. Yeah, we'll get around to that. Let's do it. See? Look at that. Look how much fuel we have. That is one thing you don't see in the Z very often. Gosh, the sun right now is brutal, and look at, all we got is this thing. A little flappy thing that barely even, that doesn't even do anything. So much for that. All right, just got to the ranch. Gonna say my goodbyes for the day. And I'll be back day after tomorrow though, you know. Quick Miata life hack: if you're trying to lock the door and you don't want to get your key out, lock it from the inside. Pull the handle to the out position, where it's like pulled out, and then close it. Then locked. Bye, Yada. Oh, there she is though. Dang. Too clean, too clean, too clean. God. I just can't believe how much larger this thing literally is. Alright, swapped the Miata for the Z. Man, it feels good to be back in this thing. This thing is so fast, you can just feel it. Yada gang. Oh, I already miss her, kinda. That no AC. Hey, before you know it, be back in there.
2 days later.
What's going on, you guys? Welcome back to the video. Bear with me, it's like 7:30 a.m. right now. Got the Miata in the background, we got the Z right here in the shade, just parked it. We drove out here to the ranch. We're gonna park the Z for the day, and then we're gonna take the Miata over to, we're taking the Miata over to get fixed today. I think there's a tension issue, or maybe the alternator has a problem, so we're gonna take it over and get it fixed. Our good friends over at Red Hawk Auto are waiting for us, so we're gonna head over there. Let's pray this thing starts. We got power. Just like that. Beautiful. Good old Miata. Like I said, we're headed over to Red Hawk Auto Repair right now. They're waiting for us. They're gonna check out the Miata. The idle is a little weird. So they're gonna take a look at it. I don't know if you can hear that, it's just, oh man, every time I get in this thing after driving the Z, no power steering is the craziest thing. Whoa, alright. Chill there. Definitely revving a little weird. It's a little cold right now, obviously, so it's gonna act a little weird naturally, but.
The next day.
Red Hawk Auto Repair. Thank you for fixing the Miata. I guess the idle issue is all fixed. Oh, there she is. Yo. Sweet. Oh God, it's hot. All right, boys. Oh, see, that's where she should be idling. So we got no more charge light. Actually, a very faint charge light. We're idling at about 1100 or 1000. I think it's a cold start right now, so yeah. So that's amazing, thank God. This is so exciting. AC still doesn't work, that's okay. Let's get this thing home. I'm so excited to have it back. I got a new steering wheel already on the way, you guys, because if you could believe it or not, this steering wheel is straight right now. So it's just on wrong, you know? Thank you, Red Hawk Auto Repair. Oh man, see this thing sitting in direct sun, it's so hot. Like, can't even touch the steering wheel. Oh, this thing is so awesome. All right, you guys, so the car is all idling a little high. All right, so with the AC on, we're idling at like, I mean, what is that, like 1700? Alright guys, check it out. We back at the house. Next video, you already know we're going to get this thing detailed, and as you can tell from back here, the registration expired in March, so we got to hit up AAA. As you guys saw from the beginning of this video, that's what we have to do next. Idle problem is a-okay. Dropped it off over there. It's all good. Just needs a wash now. So good to have it back. I gotta go to work, you guys. Look at it. I gotta go run a photo booth tonight for the wedding at the ranch, so this is why I'm in, you know, this outfit. Got the cars out here. Super excited. Watch out for the next vlog. Thank you guys so much for watching. Hit the thumbs up if you enjoyed this video. Drop a comment down below if you want to see anything specific with the Miata or the Z. I'm gonna race them in the near future just to see how much faster the Z actually is than a Mazda Miata. Make sure you hit the bell notification icon so you don't miss that video. And if you haven't hit the subscribe button yet, I would really appreciate it if you would do that. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. I will see you guys later. Peace out.